It's October, and things are heating up in the drone world. The DJI Neo 2 is just weeks away, and leaks are flying everywhere. Specs, prices, images, all pointing to what could be DJI's smartest small drone upgrade yet. So today in Tech Court, we're breaking down the facts, the hype, and what this drone really needs to do to earn a guilty or not guilty verdict. First, a little context. The original DJI Neo launched last year as a tiny, fun palm takeoff drone built for beginners. It weighed around 135 grams, shot 4K video, and could stay in the air for roughly 18 minutes. It was adorable and easy to use, but not without flaws. Short battery life, limited stabilization, and poor wind resistance kept it from being more than just a travel toy. But now, the rumors about Neo 2 are turning that story around. Multiple sources are pointing to a November release, and if these leaks are true, DJI might have just fixed everything people complained about in the first version. The biggest headline is flight time. Leaked spec sheets suggest a bigger 1600 milliamp battery, pushing the drone to 20 to 25 minutes of flight. That alone would be a huge jump, enough to make it feel like a real tool, not a gimmick. Next up, the camera. Word is that DJI is going with a 1/1.3 inch CMOS sensor this time, capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second with better low light performance and improved stabilization. If that turns out to be true, the Neo 2 could finally deliver the cinematic image quality people wanted from the first one. We're also hearing about a new guard system, possibly double-layered propeller guards for better crash protection, and minor aerodynamic tweaks to keep it stable in wind while still staying under the magic 250-gram limit. That's critical because under that weight you can fly in most regions without registration or extra certification. And the price? Some early retail leaks suggest DJI might surprise everyone and price it under $350 US. If that's accurate, the Neo 2 would completely shake up the entry-level drone market. Of course, not every rumor should be trusted. A few leakers claimed it might have full obstacle avoidance or 3-axis gimbals, but honestly, that's unlikely in such a small body. Those features would add weight, heat, and cost, all things DJI probably wants to avoid. And US availability might still lag a bit because of regulatory hurdles, just like we've seen before with past DJI products. So what does the Neo 2 need to nail to be a hit? First, real 20-minute flight times, not the theoretical lab numbers. Second, stable, sharp 4K 60-frame video. Third, a smarter, safer flight system that doesn't crash on your third takeoff. If DJI can pull all of that off while keeping it light and affordable, it could easily become the most popular travel drone of next year. Who's it really for? Everyday creators, vloggers, and travelers who want quick, easy shots without hauling a massive drone bag. But if you're into professional cinematic work or need serious range and wind performance, you'll still be looking at something like the Mini 5 Pro or the Avatar 3. My verdict: the DJI Neo 2 probably won't reinvent the drone game, but it could perfect the pocket drone formula. If DJI really delivers that 25-minute flight time, a better sensor, and stronger build, this might be the perfect daily drone for creators. So what would convince you to pre-order? Better battery, better camera, or just a lower price? Let me know in the comments. I'll pin the best one. And don't go anywhere. More verdicts are coming soon right here in Tech Court.